Success is not pursued, it's attractive, and the magnet is you. Over the next few minutes, I will give you a precise blueprint. Apply it, and you won't need to chase opportunity. Opportunity will start chasing you. Everything changes when you accept full responsibility. There are no excuses, no blame. Stop asking, "Why me?" and start asking, "How can I?" Responsibility switches you from a spectator to a strategist. Ownership leads to control, and control builds momentum. Set goals you truly want, not what others expect. Write them each morning and night to program your attention. Vague goals create vague effort. Written specificity directs your energy with precision. Write it, read it, repeat it. Clarity compounds your efforts. Discipline is the bridge from intention to result. There are no elevators to the top, only stairs. Lay one brick daily. Consistent outreach, continuous learning, diligent saving, relentless shipping. Consistency always beats intensity in the long run. Guard your inputs fiercely. Read 30 minutes a day. Learn, then immediately apply what you've learned. Formal education can make a living, but self-education can make a fortune if you execute on it. Your inputs shape your outcomes. Same facts, different futures. Train your attitude to see lessons, not losses. Failure is not a setback, it is simply data. Iterate on that data, don't retreat from the challenge. Failure is feedback, guiding your next move. Install one success habit at a time and commit to it for 21 days. Improve just 1% daily, and your capability will multiply exponentially. Remember, tiny hinges swing the biggest doors. Small daily wins lead to outsized gains. Your circle sets your ceiling. Seek out rooms where you are stretched, challenged, and inspired. Find mentors, bring genuine value to them, and then implement their advice. Proximity to greatness accelerates your own growth. Proximity is power. Health sustains high performance. You must train both your body and your mind. Practice gratitude daily to anchor your perspective and maintain balance. Wealth without wellness is not an asset. It is a hidden liability. Health truly equals performance. Where focus goes, energy flows. Time block your deep work sessions. Single task with unwavering concentration. Learn to say no to good options so you can say an emphatic yes to the great ones. Block your time and guard your attention. Bounce back fast from setbacks and pivot quickly when needed. Visualize both the desired outcome and the detailed process. Seeing yourself doing the hard steps primes your execution and builds unwavering confidence. Pivot, don't quit. Know your strengths, understand your triggers, and identify your blind spots. Take calculated risks, research thoroughly, scenario plan meticulously, then act decisively. Playing it safe can often be the riskiest move of all. Know yourself and place smart bets. Success is attracted by the person you become. Choose discipline over dopamine. Choose learning over laziness. Start today. If you're committed to compounding your growth, subscribe, like, and share this message. Comment, "I'm building the magnet," and I'll reply with my daily blueprint. Build the magnet. Start today.